Want to use all your Facebook accounts in one Messenger app on Android? It's super easy, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. The steps are simple and quick, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Let me know if you want an even simpler version or something more energetic. Step 1. Add an account. Open your Messenger app. Here you will see a 3-line icon on the corner. Then tap on your profile picture. Now here, click on Add Account. You will see this prompt asking you to log in. Add your phone number or email here. Then add your Facebook password to log in. You should be able to get into your account right away. Now on to step 2. Switch between accounts. Open Messenger. Tap the 3-line icon once again. Go back to the Switch Account section. Now tap on any account you want to switch. And that's it. You've now learned how to use multiple Facebook accounts on the Messenger app on your Android device. Don't forget to turn on notifications for all your accounts so you never miss a message. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Still have questions about switching accounts? Just drop them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as possible. See you in the next one.